everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Killer little car, guys. It's out of Georgia. It is a recent body-up restoration. Love the color combination. It's finished in LeMans blue. This is a Z28 tribute. It is not a real Z. They've got the black Z28 striping, black vinyl top. It's got the all-new blue vinyl interior in it. Great car. Hits the road outstanding. You know, if you've watched my videos before on these Camaros, I'll always kind of, I'm not a huge fan of these things because I don't know, number one, I don't fit in them real good. But most of the time when you drive them, man, they're just kind of clanky. They're, you know, they're clunky and bunky. This thing drives nice and tight, hits the road great. You can see it's got the cowl induction hood, front and rear spoilers. Got a really nice set of 18-inch American Racing torque thrust with, I love these salt flat caps. Heck, the caps are probably as much as the wheels. Slick paint. I guess an older man owned this car for quite a long time, like 20 years. He restored it, and then he sold it, actually. And then we actually, a buddy of mine is the one who got this for us through a third party. But you can see really nice paint, couple little stone pecks as you walk around it, but gorgeous car. Killer car. And it hits the road great. Shifts out good. Sits good. And our little things come loose in there. You're gonna kind of see that those are the little fuzzies. We got cottonwoods like crazy out here right now, so nothing we could do. They kind of got on the vinyl top, but we'll clean it off. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, it's got the blue vinyl interior in it. Really good car. Clean underneath. I mean, real, all satin black underneath. Man, that little thing's popping off there. Try to make sure we get that back on there. That is a pretty car right there. Nitto ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Those are 18-inch American Racing wheels. New bumpers. Got an X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system that sounds great. Killer car. Love those caps. And they are expensive. I'm not kidding when I tell you they probably cost as much as the wheels. It has a 69 date coated 350 in it. Nice little cam to it. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel, Edelbrock intake. It's got a set of coated headers on it. Mallory HEI distributor in it. Does have the GM double hump heads. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 4-speed manual trans. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. It's got the cowl air cleaner. Of course, it's got the Corvette finned aluminum valve covers on it. Good car. And like you say, you won't hear me brag on how a Camaro drives very much. This thing drives outstanding. I think everything on it was working. I mean, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. These little cottonwoods are all over everything right now. They'll come off. Just got to wipe it. Pain in the butt. Touch-up mark right there. If you're seeing that, that's just a flash off the chrome. New door fuzzies, got new door handles, new door rubbers. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. Nice interior. It's got the factory bucket seats with the center console, sport wheel, Hurst shifter, factory tack and gauges. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks great. 68,000. That's supposed to be your original miles. Tach works, radio works, all the gauges work, blower motor works, parking brake works. It's got, again, an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got a 12-bolt 355 limited slip in the rear. Dust right there if you're seeing that. So you can do this without ripping the tail lights out. You see it's all spackle coated in the trunk. Everything opens and closes real nice. Again, really clean underneath, man. This thing is nice underneath here. Floors are nice and clean. It's a good car. Great car. And seats are really nice. These are actually deluxe seat covers. Those are really nice. Those are definitely new. Dash pad is nice. It's not all warped or anything. Steering wheel's real nice. Again, your gauges are nice and clean. Center console's in great shape. Little light here in the back's working. Let's get the dual foam mirrors. Nothing crazy. Nice little cam to it, little lobe. That's a little sweetheart right there, man. That's just a good car. That's the kind of car that's kept us here since '78. Tach works, all your gauges are working in there. The door's a little open, Nathan. Nope, still open. First lights work. Good sound. Good old pressure. Yeah, radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Heck, this thing's already dusty out here. It's crazy. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page here. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you're looking at our cars, make sure you are on southernmotors.com. A lot of scams out there right now. Make sure if you are looking at our cars, you're at southernmotors.com, or hey, do it the old-fashioned way. Pick up the phone, 248-620-33 5.5.
It's just a little dust there.
I think I'm dusting quick. Sits good.